Last call for event number 6, heat 18. Boys 12 and under, 100-meter freestyle, Parilla, Kyrie, Theodore.
Go na!
This is heat 18 of event number 6, boys 12 and under, 100-meter freestyle. On lane 1, Egot Lorenzo. On lane 2,
Go na!
Parilla Kyrie. On lane 3, Egot Alexi. On lane 4, Altura Julio. On lane 5, Opco Francis. On lane 6, Tan Manuel III. On lane 7, Elias Mito.
Go na!
Kilos Migi. On lane 8,
Boss, mano! Boss!
Last call for event number 19, event 6, heat number 19.